Hmm? Aw. Ooh. Dang. Okay. Now we wait. I see you. I see you too. Oh, well, you know, sometimes you get lucky. On this particular instance here, I believe we're gonna get lucky. This is one of the few times when I've ever done anything on a steering column where I haven't had to remove the freaking wheel. This is a 2005 Dodge Neon. For the sake of this video, I just went ahead and took the old air pillow off, which is not, it's not that hard on this car. This thing here, it's just got these little squeeze tabs on the side. You can see in there they got the little grippy things. Squeeze that and pull it off. This wire here is a little trickier. This wire here actually slides into this connector right here, but and it holds very well. And what you want to do, this plastic tab right here, you're going to want to push this up with something just like so, and then that other connector will slide right out, and then that releases the pressure on that little tab right there, and then it slides out. You get that sucker out of the way, and then you know, we're down to the nitty gritty here. T20. This cruise control switch with the stock, this style, they put on the Neons on 2003 until the end of the Neon run, I think in 2005. 3 T20s, and it's loose. So the last piece is just take off the little howdy doody, a little 3-pronger. Man, that thing's going fur. So here's the part number. This is what was original to the Neon, 046718268A. Okay, there are a ton of different part numbers out there floating around with a form factor on this cruise control switch that looks similar, but as far as I know, this is the only part number for the 03 to 05 Neons that's going to work. And it probably has something to do with the fact, you see there's only 2 pins in here. Those other switches, I'll put some part numbers up here. Those other switches have all 3 pins pinned in the middle there. This one only has 2, and it makes me think that the guts in here, they just work differently on that newer style or different style switch. So I'm going to throw this in here and let's see what we get. All right, let's give this a final torque here. German torque. Plug the thing in. Bada boom. Okay, and now, all right, so let's put the airbag back in there, which I've already got it plugged up here, little video trickery, and let's take this thing for a spin and see what happens. I've got it fired up here. See what we get. Oh, there it is. Cruise. Boom. Based upon that, I'm pretty sure we're going to work. Good luck with your repairs, folks. Keep these Neons on the road.